Good morning to all of you. Last lecture we can study about syllabus of the mathematics second question paper format and
सर सगळ्यांचे माईक म्यूट करा.
ओके हळूहळू जॉईन होत आहे त्यामुळं प्रॉब्लेम येतोय. पट जॉईन व्हायचं विद्यार्थ्याने. लास्ट लेक्चर वी कॅन स्टडी अबाउट syllabus of math second question paper format and marking scheme maths first maths second and internal evaluation. We can start the first topic, mathematics second, similarity. Which concept we can study in topic similarity? First one, before this another I will give the instruction. सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांच्याकडे नोटबुक पाहिजे, वही पेन कंपास पेटी जवळ घेऊन बसा, पुस्तक जवळ ठेवा. ज्यावेळेस आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल सोडवायचे त्यावेळेस ते गरजेचे आहे. जे कन्सेप्ट मी एक्सप्लेन करतोय ते मनापासून तुम्ही समजावून घ्या. शंका येणार नाही अशा पद्धतीने मी तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करतोय. तरी पण काही शंका असतील तर ते पॉइंट आउट करा, नंतर मेसेज करा किंवा फोन करा. गादीवरती झोपून बसायचं नाही, ऐकायचं नाही, व्यवस्थित ताट बसायचं. पॅड एखादं घेऊन वही घेऊन वहीवरती महत्वाचे पॉइंट्स आहेत ते लिहायचे तुम्हाला. पुस्तक नंतर तुम्ही उघडायचं आहे. आता कन्सेप्ट समजावून घ्या. कन्सेप्ट परफेक्ट झाला पाहिजे आपला, म्हणजे तुम्हाला नंतर सेल्फ स्टडी करताना ते सोपं होणार आहे. Similarity, which concept we can study in this topic? First concept is a ratio of area of two triangle. This is the first concept. Second concept in this topic, basic proportionality theorem, BPT, that is called as. Depends on this concept we can study converse of the basic proportionality theorem. Converse of BPT, that is the opposite statement of the basic proportionality theorem. This is the second concept, BPT and converse of BPT. Third concept, similar triangle and its properties. You can study in 9th standard. You can study in 9th standard. We have reflexivity, symmetry, and transitivity. All these properties depends on the congruent triangle. We can study for the similar triangle. These are the properties depends on the similar triangle: reflexivity, symmetry, and transitivity. This is the third concept. First concept, ratio of area of two triangle. Second concept, BPT and its converse. Third concept, similar triangle and its properties. Next concept, angle bisector theorem. Fourth one, angle bisector theorem. And last concept, ratio of area of similar triangles. These are the 5 concepts we can study in this topic, similarity. First concept, ratio of area of two triangles. Ratio of area of two triangles. Which are the base of this concept? Ratio of area of two triangles. या संदर्भात तुम्हाला काय माहित असणं गरजेचं ते कन्सेप्ट लक्षात. In the 9th standard we can study ratio and proportion. In the 9th standard we can study ratio and proportion. Ratio of the two numbers. Suppose we have to take one example. Ratio of A and B means ratio of A and B means A divided by B. Any positive real number, suppose 5 and 6, these are the real numbers. How to write ratio of this one? Ratio of 5 and 6, that is 5 upon 6. This is the ratio of the two real number. Proportion of the two numbers. This is concept depends on the ratio and proportion. In 9th standard we can study it. Proportion of A and B means A has to B. Proportion of A and B means A has to B. These two concepts and another one concept depends on the triangle. In 9th standard we can study triangles, types of the triangles. Depends on sides and depends on angles. You know that depends on sides. Which are the types of triangle? Number 1, equilateral triangle. Number 2, isosceles triangle. Number 3, scalene triangle. These are the 3 types of the triangle. Depends on sides. Depends on angles. Which are the 3 types? You know that right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, and last one, obtuse angle triangle. These are the 6 types of the triangle. This is the base. You can know depends on the triangle. Another concept, this is the base. It is necessary for this concept, area of the triangle. Area of the triangle, any triangle. How to find area of the triangle? There are 2 concepts for the area of the triangle. First concept, area of the triangle is 1/2 base into height. This is the formula for the to find the area of the triangle if base and height is known. Another concept, Hero's formula. You know that Hero's formula to find the area of the triangle. How to find area of the triangle by Hero's formula? Area equal to square root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S means semi perimeter. But this result is not necessary here. Only 1/2 base into height. Area of the triangle find by using 1/2 base into height. This is the important result. You can use 1/2 base into height. B means base, H means height. This result is important concept. Next, to understand the ratio of area of 2 triangles. Ratio of area of 2 triangles. Ratio means you know that division of the 2 numbers. Area of 2 triangles. Suppose we have to take, these are the 3 figures of the triangle. First triangle. Observe this triangle. Name of this, suppose A, B, C. This is the triangle A, B, C. In this triangle, there are 3 sides, AB, BC and AC. Suppose BC is the base. Suppose BC is the base. Then on this base we can draw the perpendicular. How to draw perpendicular? Suppose BC is the base, then which are the opposite vertex? A. From A we can draw the perpendicular on the BC. We can draw the perpendicular on the BC. Therefore, name of this one, suppose D. AD is the perpendicular. This is the height of the triangle. In this triangle, this is the acute angle triangle. In this triangle, suppose BC is the base. Then from the opposite vertex, we can draw the perpendicular. Perpendicular height, where from we can draw? From the opposite vertex. This is the perpendicular. In this triangle, BC is the base, AD is the height. We have to write this is B and H is the height. Second triangle. We have to take second triangle. Name of this also. We have to take PQR. This is the right angle triangle. Which is the base and which is the height? Suppose QR is the base, then which is the height? PQ is the height. And suppose PQ is the base, then which are the height? QR is the height. Why? Because we have to take base is PQ, then height is QR, and this triangle is right angle triangle. This angle is 90 degree. Therefore, we have to take QR is base or PQ is the base. Then PQ base, we have to take QR height. QR base, PQ is the height. Therefore, if we have to take QR is the base, then opposite vertex is P. From this, we can draw the perpendicular. Second triangle, you know that QR is the base, PQ is the height. Another triangle, third triangle. We have to take acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. This is the obtuse angle triangle. X, Y, Z. This is the obtuse angle triangle. In this obtuse angle triangle, suppose YZ is the base. YZ is the base. Then we can draw the perpendicular. Opposite vertex of the side YZ. YZ चे opposite vertex X. From this X we can draw the perpendicular. Where we can draw the perpendicular? On the base. But base here obtuse angle, then this base is extended. This base is extended. Then this is the side YZ. And from X, opposite vertex X, from X we can draw the perpendicular, and this perpendicular is outside the triangle. The perpendicular is outside the triangle. Name of this is suppose XT. This figure is very important to solve the example. In obtuse angle triangle, triangle XYZ, YZ is the base. Then perpendicular, which are the height? XY is the not height, because this is the not perpendicular. Then in obtuse angle triangle, XT is the perpendicular outside the triangle, because this is obtuse angle. Then in this triangle, YZ is the base. YZ is the base, not base. ZT. YZ is the base in this triangle. Then which are the height? XT is the height. XT is the height of the triangle in the obtuse angle. Suppose another obtuse angle triangle, we have to take similarly. This is the obtuse angle triangle. A, B, C. BC is the base, then we can draw the, this is the base extended. Suppose AB is the base. AB is the base, then this AB is extended in this way. Then where from we can draw the perpendicular? Which are the opposite vertex of AB? C. From C we can draw the perpendicular on AB, extended line. This extended line, draw the perpendicular. This is the height of the triangle, CD. If XY is the base, means AB is the base, which are the perpendicular, CD is the perpendicular, outside the triangle. And suppose AC is the base, AC is the base, then from opposite vertex, here B, from B we can draw the perpendicular. This is the height of the triangle. Suppose this is, these triangles are acute angles. Therefore, this perpendicular inside the triangle with respect to acute angle. Acute angle triangle मध्ये perpendicular triangle मध्येच येते, आणि obtuse angle triangle मध्ये perpendicular outside the triangle. हा कन्सेप्ट तुमच्या लक्षात आला. obtuse angle चा कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर झालाय का? नसेल तर obtuse angle triangle काढायचा आहे, आणि तुम्ही एक रफ फिगर काढून परपेंडिक्युलर कशी घेता येतो ते तुम्ही हा इकडे वाढवायचा. हा परपेंडिक्युलर, हा बेस घेतला तर इथून परपेंडिक्युलर, हा बेस घेतला तर इथं परपेंडिक्युलर, अशी एक फिगर काढून बघा, तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. अंडरस्टँड बेस अँड हाईट ऑफ द इच ट्रायंगल. हा कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर झाला तर आपला हा कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर होईल. रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स. दिस कन्सेप्ट अंडरस्टँड रेशियो ऑफ एरिया टू ट्रायंगल्स. एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल इज 1/2 base into height. You know that. Next, observe the two triangles. Any triangles. Suppose triangle PQR, and next triangle suppose ABC. These are the two triangles. In these two triangles, we can draw the base and height. Suppose QR is the base of the triangle. Then which are the opposite vertex? P is the opposite vertex. From P, we can draw the perpendicular on the base QR. This is suppose S. In triangle PQR, wait a few minutes. Mute all. Okay. In this triangle PQR, QR is the base, PS is the height. Here, base, that is QR, suppose this is B. And height, that is PS, this is suppose H. In triangle PQR, base is the B, QR is the base, PS is the height. Suppose for the first triangle, base is B1 and height is H1. This is H1 and this QR, this is B1. In first triangle PQR, QR base, PS height. Second triangle ABC, base, that is BC, name of this is B2, this distance is suppose B2, and opposite vertex is A. From this A, we can draw the perpendicular AD, and this is H2, and the height of the second triangle is equal to AD, and this is equal to H2. In these two triangles, which are the base and which are the height, you can understand. In this two triangle, QR is the base, PS is the height. For first triangle, area of triangle PQR is equal to, you know that base of the area of the triangle. In previous standard we can study 1/2 base into height. Here 1/2 base of the first triangle B1 and height of the first triangle H1. This is the area of the first triangle PQR. Next, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 B2 into H2. Base of the second triangle B2 and height of the second triangle is H2. Area of the first triangle, area of the second triangle ABC. You can understand these two concepts. Our important main concept is ratio of area of two triangles. Ratio of the two numbers means A divided by B. Area of the two triangles. Ratio of area of two triangles means ratio of area of two triangles means ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to ratio of this one. Ratio means division of the two numbers. Our concept is ratio of area of two triangles. This is the ratio of area of triangle PQR, area of triangle ABC. Ratio of the two triangles is equal to area of triangle PQR 1/2 base into height, area of ABC 1/2 base into height. This 1/2 cancel. The remaining term B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2. Here A1 means area of the first triangle PQR, A2 means area of the second triangle ABC. A1 upon A2, we get the result B1 H1 upon B2 H2. This is the important result with respect to ratio of area of two triangles. It is stated as statement of this one. Ratio of area of two triangles is equal to ratio of, this is the ratio of product of base and height of the two triangles. How to state this one? Ratio of area of two triangles is equal to ratio of product of corresponding base and height of the two triangles. This is the ratio of product of corresponding base and height. Corresponding base and height means B1 H1 for the triangle PQR, B2 H2 for the triangle ABC. This is the first important concept. Depends on this concept, there are three conditions. Which are these three conditions? Suppose base is same. Base is same. First condition, base is same. Suppose base of the two triangles are same. Means QR and BC is the same. Base is same means B1 equal to B2. B1 equal to B2. Then how to state this result? A1 upon A2 is equal to base is same means B1 equal to B2 means this B1 B2 cancel, remaining H1 upon H2. We get first result H1 upon H2. Second one, if height is same, height same means H1 equal to H2. Height is same, then this result H1 equal to H2, H1, H2 cancel because these are same. Remaining term is B1 upon B2 means area of two triangles is equal to height is same means B1 upon B2. And third important concept, this concept not into your notebook. Base and height is same. Base and height is same means B1 equal to B2 and H1 equal to H2. B1 equal to B2 and H1 equal to H2. Therefore, in this result, base and height both are same. Then A1 upon A2 equal to 1. B1 B2 cancel same. H1 H2 cancel same. Remaining 1. A1 upon A2 equal to 1. That means this implies A1 equal to A2 means area of two triangles is same. Then these three conditions, how to state? If the base of the two triangles are same, then ratio of area of two triangles is equal to ratio of corresponding heights. This is the first condition. If base is same, then ratio of area of two triangles is equal to ratio of corresponding height. If the base is same. Second condition, if height is same, then ratio of area of two triangles is equal to ratio of corresponding bases. This is the second condition. This is the important result for the same base and same height. Same base असेल H1 upon H2 यूज करायचा आहे. Same height असेल B1 upon B2. And third condition, if base and height of the two triangles is same, दोन्ही same असेल, base and height. If base and height of the two triangles is same, then ratio of area of two triangles is equal to 1. Means area of the A1 upon A2 is equal to means A2 here divided multiplied to RHS 1. A1 equal to A2. This is the fourth condition. If base and height is same, then ratio area of the two triangles are equal. Ratio is 1 means area of the two triangles is same. This is the fourth condition. This is the first concept, depends on the similarity, ratio of area of two triangles. आता या कन्सेप्ट मध्ये रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स यामध्ये तुम्हाला चार रिझल्ट महत्वाचे. फर्स्ट रिझल्ट A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 H1 B2 H2. This is the first result. हा रिझल्ट कधी यूज करायचा? तुम्हाला बेस हाईट असे दोन ट्रायंगलची दिली असेल तर हा कन्सेप्ट यूज करायचा. हा रिझल्ट कधी यूज करायचा आहे? दोन ट्रायंगल मधले बेस सेम दिले असतील तर तुम्ही हा रिझल्ट यूज करायचा. एक्झाम्पल मध्ये हाईट सेम दिलेली असेल तर हा रिझल्ट यूज करायचा. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 आणि बेस आणि हाईट सेम दिला असेल तर A1 equal to A2. आता हा कन्सेप्ट आहे. तुम्हाला एमसीक्यू मध्ये विचारलं. एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन कोणत्या प्रकारचा असू शकतो याच्यावरती? When area of two triangles are equal. When area of two triangles are equal. मला चार पर्याय दिले असते. बेस इज सेम, हाईट इज सेम, base and height is same, or no any answer. अशापैकी 4 पर्याय असतात. मग इथं आन्सर काय असणार? व्हेन द एरिया ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स आर इक्वल, ऑप्शन कुठला असणार? बेस अँड हाईट इज सेम. ह्या कंडिशन आहेत, ह्या एमसीक्यू मध्ये तुम्हाला विचारणार. मग ह्या कन्सेप्ट मधले महत्वाचे 4 रिझल्ट. A1/A2 equal to B1H1 divided by B2H2. Second, A1/A2 equal to H1/H2 for base same. Third one, A1/A2 equal to B1/B2 if height same. And this is the last one, A1/A2, base and height is same. These are the 4 important concepts. हे 4 कन्सेप्ट तुम्ही एका पेज वरती लिहून काढायचे. पहिलं या लेक्चर मधले महत्वाचे 4 कन्सेप्ट. आता हे 4 कन्सेप्ट एका ठिकाणी तुम्ही लिहून घ्या. कन्सेप्ट समजला असेल. यावरती सॉल्व्ड एक्झाम्पल आहेत पुस्तकामध्ये. पुस्तकामध्ये सॉल्व्ड एक्झाम्पल ते वाचायचे, आजच समजावून घ्यायचे. काय शंका असतील तर पॉइंट आउट करायचे आणि मेसेज टाका किंवा फोन करा, एक्सप्लेन करून दिले. सॉल्व्ड एक्झाम्पल सोडवून झाले की मग प्रॅक्टिस सेट सोडवायला चालू. आता प्रॅक्टिस सेट सोडवताना आपण एक एक्झाम्पल घेऊया. प्रॅक्टिस सेट सोडवताना प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.1 या प्रॅक्टिस सेट मध्ये ते तुम्हाला लिहून घ्यायचं असेल तर स्क्रीनशॉट मारून घ्या, नंतर लिहून घ्या, किंवा लिहिलं असेल तर चांगली गोष्ट आहे. ते 4 रिझल्ट आहेत, ते एका पेजवर नंतर लिहायचे आहेत तुम्हाला. हा कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर झाला असेल. एक्झाम्पल मी तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करतोय. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Explain, read only, understand this one. First example, base of the triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of the another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of area of this triangle.